I'll guide you how to make money as a writer. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. For today's video, I'm using Fiverr as example. Log into your Fiverr account. I'm using Gmail to sign in. Once you're logged in, click the Switch to Selling button, and you'll be redirected to your seller dashboard. From there, click My Business and select the Gigs option to start creating your first writing gig. Begin by filling out your gig overview. Make sure your title is clear, searchable, and appealing to potential buyers. Next, set your pricing and choose the type of service you offer, whether it's blog writing, website content, product descriptions, or another writing niche. Write a short but engaging gig description that highlights your writing style, tone, and what sets you apart from other writers. Then, add a few questions for future clients, such as their target audience or topic details. Upload writing samples to showcase your skills and build credibility. Once everything looks good, hit publish. Your writing gig is now live and ready to attract clients. Remember, the better your gig presentation, the more chances you get clients.